Hey everybody, this is the new Barton Musical Circuit's 10-band EQ, or a fixed filter bank is the way people talk about them in synthesizer world. This is 10 bandpass filters that can either cut or boost this signal. You cut by turning the knob left, and you boost by turning the knob right. They're an octave apart, each one, so it's doubling in frequency. And it goes from 30 hertz to 16 kilohertz. And in addition to these knobs, there's also this toggle down here, which takes some Zener diodes in or out of the output amplifier's feedback path. And so what that does is it helps keep the signal closer to plus minus 5 volts, which is what a lot of synthesizer modules are expecting as their input. Because when you're adding a lot of frequencies to it, it can easily get really, really big, which might, cause some problems for VCAs or whatever you're feeding this into. But yeah, let me show the oscilloscope with this going, and I'll turn the sound on as well, and you can kind of hear what it sounds like. And so right now the Zeners are out, and so you'll see the waveform can get pretty big here. So now I'm going to put those Zeners in. So you see that goes from down there to up there. So yeah, that's a ramp wave. This is something that I've wanted to have one for a while, and I was glad that I was able to get one made. So thanks. This is available for DIY, or I can build one for you if you prefer.